If you want to save the battery life and if you want to fix the battery draining issue on the Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now the biggest reason for the battery draining problem on the Galaxy Fit 3 is the display of the Galaxy Fit 3. Now first of all, just tap and hold on the watch face, and from here just select a dark watch face. You can select one from the Galaxy Wearable app if you do not have one over here. Now I will select this one. Since its display is an AMOLED display, a dark watch face will consume less battery. Then swipe up and open the app drawer. After that, just go to Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Display, and from here just enable Adaptive Brightness. Now, after you enable Adaptive Brightness, your band will automatically lower the brightness of the screen if you are in a dim condition, and the screen brightness will automatically rise up if you are in a bright environment. After that, just make sure you disable Always on Display, because Always on Display is the biggest battery draining feature. And as you can see below the Always on Display feature, it says this feature will use more battery. So make sure you disable Always on Display. After that, just tap on Screen Timeout. And from here, just select the lowest screen timeout number, which is 4. After you do that, then go back and tap on Health. From here, just tap on Heart Rate. Now if it is on Measure Continuously, this will consume more battery. So just select every 10 minutes while you're still. And if this feature is not that important, just select Manual Only. And you will only be able to measure your heart rate manually. After that, just go back and tap on Stress. Now if it is on Measure Continuously, just select Manual Only. After that, just go back and do the same with the Sleep feature. Now from here, just go back and tap on Security and Privacy. In the Security and Privacy section, you will find the feature of Risk Detection. Now just disable this toggle. After that, just tap on Done. And after you have done that, the battery of your Galaxy Fit 3 will last you longer, and you will fix the battery drain issue on your Galaxy Fit 3. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.